Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. First question: what is the chemical name of marble or chalk or eggshell? Answer: calcium carbonate. Next question: what is the chemical name of quicklime? Answer: calcium oxide. Next question: what is the chemical name of gypsum or plaster of Paris? Answer: calcium sulfate. Next question: what is the chemical name of silicate lime? Answer: calcium hydroxide. Next question: what is the chemical name of bone? Answer: calcium phosphate. Next question: what is the chemical name of bleaching powder? Answer: calcium hypochlorite. Next question: what is the chemical name of cement? Answer: calcium aluminum silicate. Next question: what is the chemical name of dolomite? Answer: calcium magnesium carbonate. Next question: what is the chemical name of common salt? Answer: sodium chloride. Next question: what is the chemical name of caustic soda? Answer: sodium hydroxide. Next question: what is the chemical name of washing soda? Answer: sodium carbonate. Next question: what is the chemical name of hypo? Answer: sodium thiosulfate. Next question: what is the chemical name of globe salt? Answer: sodium sulfate. Next question: what is the chemical name of chili saltpeter? Answer: sodium nitrate. Next question: what is the chemical name of gunpowder? Answer: potassium nitrate. Next question: what is the chemical name of caustic potash? Answer: potassium hydroxide. Next question: what is the chemical name of baking powder? Answer: sodium bicarbonate. Next question: what is the chemical name of rat poison? Answer zinc phosphide. Next question. What is the chemical name of laughing gas? Answer nitrous oxide. Next question. What is the chemical name of rust iron? Answer hydrated iron oxide. Next question. What is the chemical name of chloroform? Answer trichloromethane. Next question. What is the chemical name of Epsom salt? Answer magnesium sulfate. Next question. What is the chemical name of DDT? Answer dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane. Next question. What is the chemical name of vinegar? Answer acetic acid. Next question. What is the chemical name of Ajinomoto? Answer monosodium glutamate. Next question. What is the chemical name of dry ice? Answer solid carbon dioxide. Next question. What is the chemical name of glass? Answer sodium silicate. Next question. What is the chemical name of rotten egg? Answer hydrogen sulfide.